Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Important: ensure the battery cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the power connector cable for later replacement. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the base enclosure. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power connector to the base enclosure. Remove the power connector from its position on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the power connector into position on the base enclosure. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power connector to the base enclosure. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the base enclosure.